Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is BC Investing. This is a 100K challenge. Looking right at Bitcoin today. We are kind of sideways right now, but I think we hit a high today of about 55.4K. Okay, right now it's beating that. Yeah. And Ethereum today hit a high, created an all-time high actually, of 2682, which is now Ethereum is kind of like running away from Bitcoin, because Bitcoin and Ethereum usually they kind of hit all-time highs together. Well, Bitcoin is the front runner. So anyway, so we're kind of seeing the separation. It'll be interesting to see if it continues or if Ethereum just stays the same and Bitcoin catches up. So we'll see what happens. And looking at the daily chart, we still will be expecting a little bit of positive run here. We'll see how that goes. And with Bitcoin as well, with the day chart, since looking at the lowest point here on the RSI, it's coming back up. So now we should be trending upward here like this, and like expected should be coming up around here. So that would be maybe around coming back to about 60K plus. So we'll see how that goes. Right. So today there's not much news today. I think this is going to be a really short video. So we're sitting at $5,610. We're only down about 3%. I thought we'd be down more, but like I said yesterday, we are expecting a pullback. I think I only said with one of the stocks, but I think you kind of cut the drift, right? Catch the drift, whatever. I said bingo would pull back at least 5%. Came back to 7%. This is a healthy pullback. I mean, after a crazy run, I would be really, really surprised if it doesn't pull back, but it did. So I would say that's a healthy pullback after running 20% plus. So I think overall the market was also just coming back. Oxygen, I don't have oxygen, but it did pull back, but it just came right back up. So I don't know if there was any news. No news, no press release from the company. So yeah, with the miners, we're kind of down just a little bit. Let's see. So with Hive, we were down. Okay, we kind of broke even at the end there. HUT, we're down 6%. We did run up a lot, so I guess that's fine. 6%. Bitfarms stayed in the positive from their news yesterday, increasing their hash rate to 1.242, making them the most, kind of like the biggest in terms of hash rate power race amongst the publicly traded companies. So let's see. DMG was down 2.5%. Okay. This one's an interesting one because they had a news of purchase of 1,800 ASIC miners. I would expect them to at least be in the positive here, but it is what it is. So DGHI kind of weird. I was expecting this thing to pull really, really high once we came off the weekend. It didn't really go, so I mean, not sure what to expect here. They don't have much news coming in, and their conference was today. I didn't really attend it, but this is from 5 days ago. Neptune Digital, okay, down 3%. Right. Okay, so they're just taking turns pretty much. Yeah. And right now, the Hive and Bitfarms kind of went off, and then Neptune, DGHI, and these other ones, DMG, I think they'll take their turn soon. So let's see. Banks, so down 3%. Okay, not much news once again, so I think that's it for this one. Galaxy always seems to be in that $30-$35 range. I don't know. Always seems like they have a positive day. Yeah, that's weird. I haven't checked the big companies right now. Let's see. Okay, barely down actually. It's really good. They don't have any news coming up. And Marathon Digital. Okay. Alright, they have a webinar. I think that was it 10 hours ago. Okay. So part of the problem with also these Bitcoin miners is also the acceptance of Bitcoin companies in Wall Street. So I think that'll take some time. That's why we're kind of seeing last few weeks, even though Bitcoin was coming at all-time highs, we weren't really seeing the crypto miners and the companies do well. So hopefully that changes soon. Bitcoin is gonna run up. I don't know how well it'll do in the short term, but in the long term, looking at the big picture, it's gonna do really, really well. And there's only 21 million coins left, so you do the math. Supply and demand. So right now there's so much demand, sitting at 55.4K. Once the supply runs out, you just imagine how big Bitcoin is gonna run up to. Like, there's no, I don't think there's any limit to how high this thing can go. So we'll see. But that's in the long term. We're looking at the short term right now. So looking at the smaller picture. Also, just a bit of an update. I just want to hear from you guys if just an idea that I had is investing in the crypto, the coins itself. So what I was thinking is to add, instead of purchasing companies like other different blockchain companies, I was thinking of just investing or buying these like Cardano, like BNB, because BNB I think has some potential here. It's already at 85.8 billion. I think Chainlink, WET, Solano, and also like PancakeSwap. Yeah, PancakeSwap. It's up 31% in the past 7 days. And let's see. WET is down 14%, so might be a good chance to get in. Solano is already up like crazy, 41% up the past 7 days. Uniswap is also up. Cardano is up 5% overall the week. It's coming up. I think it was at 132, so I think we had a little pullback here. Oh, it's at 131 right now. So, okay, so we did have a pullback, 132 to 137-ish. So, just a mini pullback. Yeah, BNB is just running up crazy. If you've been investing and looking at, like, just tracking, just year to date, these things are just huge multiples. Look at this. At the lowest, $37, and currently it's the highest was at 600 almost. So that's at least 15-16x. So yeah, when we're having 2 months of just shitty trading days, this thing was moving sideways, and then boom, April just shot up. So I think these altcoins I think it's time for these altcoins to run up. So I might want to invest and look into these altcoins as well. I mean, you guys as well. So if you are invested, that's great. If you aren't, maybe just look into just buying these coins and just hodling it, putting in cold storage, and just get this ledger.com. I think it was ledger.com. Yeah, ledger.com. Yeah, they also say right here, be aware of ongoing phishing campaigns. So don't buy don't buy their product from anywhere else, like the Nano S and X. Just buy it from their own website. I think they ship. I'm not sure if they ship globally, but I think they have a good range of where they ship. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's it for this one, right? let me know what you guys think about adding just the crypto itself into the challenge. I'll have to work out another platform where I can add those two and then look at the overall up and down. So we'll see a little bit of difference right there. Yeah, please feel free to like and subscribe. Please do your own research. Always fact check. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.